Emotions ran high in court as parents of the abducted youth cried, demanding to know the whereabouts of their kin after police defied orders to produce them in court. Following the defiance, the Inspector General of Police, Douglas Kanja, who also skipped court summons, risks contempt of court charges. The summons issued following a petition by the Law Society of Kenya required the IG's presence, but he instead sent representatives. And as Ben Kirui now reports, the court has directed Kanja to personally appear in court on Wednesday, the 8th of January 2025, to explain the whereabouts of the missing individuals.
So when I look around the courtyard, I cannot see my son. I thought he's here. Seriously, who took my son and where is my son?
A distraught father, Gerald Mwangi, the father of Billy Mwangi, he broke down in court as he pleaded for answers about his son's whereabouts.
We have taken a lot of medicine for blood pressure. Yeah, I have also developed blood pressure. Yes. At a certain point, it doesn't come down. I was even praying God that when I'm coming on the way, nifike, na ni kweli nifike nimefika. But I cannot kill my son. I cannot see guys who look like my son. But he's not here. Where is my son, Your Honor? Where is my son? Seriously, where are they taking my son?
Billy, a 24-year-old college student, was abducted on Saturday, December 21st by 4 hooded men at a barber shop in Embu town. Gerald recounted how his son was seized while waiting for a haircut, bundled into a waiting car by the men, who arrived in a station wagon and a double cabin pickup truck.
4 guys, very strong guys, from the double cabin car, walked out of the car when mishandled my son and threw him inside. Yes. And he asked them, who are you? Where are you taking me? Wakasema utajulia pele. Yes. Simu ikazimika wakaenda naye. Mpaka saa hii, Your Honor, I have no idea where my son is.
His hope of seeing his son or hearing his whereabouts fading after the Inspector General of Police, Douglas Kanja, who was scheduled to appear in court at 11 a.m. to disclose the whereabouts of 6 missing individuals, failed to appear. The IG instead sending Benson Kasioki, the Regional Criminal Investigations Officer, as his representative. The IG's absence and failure to produce the missing individuals angered lawyers representing the families of the 6 victims of abductions, who petitioned the court to hold him in contempt.
Let him appear in person, excuse himself, so that the court may have the discretion to either hear from him or from a third party.
The National Police Service, who was supposed to appear before you today, have negated and disobeyed your orders.
The 6 individuals, Gideon Kibet, Ronnie Kiplangat, Bernard Kavuli, Peter Muteti, Billy Mwangi, and Steve Kavingo, are yet to be seen since they were picked up in the case filed by the Law Society of Kenya, LSK, alongside the families. The court was told that the abductions were carried out by police, with the LSK arguing that Kanja bears a personal responsibility for their disappearance. Justice Bahati Mwamuye has set Wednesday, January 8, 2025 as the hearing date, ordering the Inspector General to personally appear in court and produce the missing individuals. The year ends in pain and anguish for the families of the missing youth. The 7-day period granted by the court for the Inspector General of Police to appear and account for their whereabouts unbearably long. Ben Kirui, Citizen TV, Nairobi.